Name is Andrea Fuentes. My group is made out of Kenya, Jarin, Marcelis, Edwin, and Cindy. Today we are going to describe the thought of Magdalene in Tenerife. Tenerife is a municipality in the Magdalene department, located by the Magdalene River. Its story dates back to the century when it is founded by Spanish settlers along with indigenous communities what inhabited the area.
Since then, it is an important point of fluvial and commercial connection between the coast and the interior of the country.
Regarding its culture, Tenerife stands out for its joy, sense of community of its people, its traditions revolve around music such as cumbia and porro, and religious celebrations. One of the most important is Holy Week.
Can show nice route of the country for its fervor, its processions, and the sick active participation of the entire community. Patron Patron Saint Festival are also celebrating in honor of the Virgin of Carmen, accompanied by music, dance, and typical gastronomy.
Is based mainly on agriculture, livestock, and artisanal fishing products such as cassava, plantain, corn, and oil palm are cattle painting wheels are essential for the sustenance of many families.
True attraction. Tenerife offers many treasure parks to the Arts de Magdalena River, the Chiffon Promenade, the Muse Queen, the San Sebastian, in the special in the vision of Tapegua Club in the Villa Daniela, from where you can enjoy for video and the natural landscape of Tapegua and Nadio for relaxation in the Costa Gusnichen.